What's up guys, we out here in the BRZ. Damn, look at those LEDs. They look hella nice after I installed. What's good guys, so I'm back in the BRZ. Testing out the new camera, the A6300. Let me know what you guys think about it. So I'm here installing my sun visor back on. You must be wondering why I'm installing it back on. Basically what I did today, let me show you before and after what it looks like, okay? So I plugged the clip back in, put in the 2 screws, and now the light works again. A little bit of a before, now a little bit of a now.